What if every coin in your pocket was actually a tiny seed of freedom? The problem is, most people spend it like it's just metal. We use money every single day to buy snacks, pay bills, or survive our coffee addiction. But here's the real question. Why does money disappear so fast while freedom always feels so far away? This video isn't about getting rich overnight. It's about something way more powerful. How even small amounts of money, yes, even coins, can slowly buy your freedom. Let's break it down, stick figure style. Part 1. What is freedom really made of? Freedom doesn't mean yachts, mansions, or quitting your job tomorrow. It's simpler than that. Freedom means control over your time. It means not having to say yes to every shift just to keep the lights on. It means not being stuck in a job you secretly hate. It means options. And the key to options? It's not just money. It's how you use money. Part 2. Most people trade coins for comfort, not freedom. Here's the cycle. You get paid, you spend it on fast food, new shoes, Netflix, and you're broke again by Friday. It's not that people are bad with money, it's that they're trained to spend for comfort. Comfort now, slavery later. You're not buying freedom, you're buying escape. Temporary joy instead of long-term peace. But what if you flip the script? Part 3. The 3-jar rule. Imagine your money going into 3 jars. Bills, for the things you need. Fun, for the things you enjoy. And freedom, for the life you want. Most people put money into the first 2 jars and forget the third even exists. But the freedom jar is where the magic happens. That's where your money starts working for you instead of the other way around. Even small amounts matter. A coin here, a dollar there, it adds up. Part 4. Lifestyle creep, the silent trap. Let's say you get a raise. Great, so you upgrade your phone, get a new car, nicer clothes. You're earning more, but you're also spending more. And guess what? You feel just as stressed as before. That's called lifestyle creep. You level up your expenses so fast, your freedom can't catch up. More stuff, less freedom. That's not the goal. Part 5. How to buy freedom instead of pleasure. Here's a simple trick. Before you spend money, ask, am I buying pleasure or peace? Pleasure is that quick hit, coffee, candy, dopamine. Peace is the feeling of knowing your bills are paid, your future is safe, and no one owns your time. Next time you're about to swipe your card, pause. Ask yourself, is this helping me escape or helping me grow? Part 6. Build your freedom engine. You don't need a 6-figure salary. You need a freedom engine. Here's how it works. Spend less than you earn. Put the difference into savings or investments. Let time and compound growth do their thing. Every coin you save is like hiring a tiny worker. That coin goes to work 24/7, earning more coins for you. The earlier you start, the more powerful it becomes. Part 7. The magic of small starts. Most people don't start because they think they need a lot of money. Nope. Start with what you have. 1 coin a day, 1 habit at a time. Skip a $5 snack is $150 per month. Invest that? That's thousands over time. It's not about how much you have. It's about how often you act. Part 8. Time plus consistency equals freedom. It's not about being fast. It's about being consistent. Saving $5 a day might not feel like much, but over time it builds momentum. You're watering a plant every day. One day it becomes a tree. A tree that gives you shade, fruit, and peace. Freedom grows, slowly, silently, but only if you stay the course. Part 9. The system doesn't want you to know this. Nobody teaches this in school. Why? Because a financially free person is dangerous. They can't be sold to as easily. They don't panic. They don't work 24/7. The system wants consumers, not builders. But once you understand how money really works, you start seeing through the noise. You stop playing defense and start playing offense. Part 10. What freedom looks like in real life. Freedom isn't about Lamborghinis. It's about moments. Saying no to a toxic job. Taking a day off just because. Spending time with your kids. Starting your own thing.
sleeping peacefully at night. And all of that, it's bought with coins. Not all at once, but little by little, day by day. Final reflection. Coins are more powerful than you think. Next time you hold a coin, remember this. That little piece of metal isn't just change. It's a choice. Buy something you'll forget in an hour, or invest in something that can change your life. Freedom isn't something you win in a lottery. It's something you build, coin by coin, decision by decision. So what will you do with your next coin? Because when you stack them up, not just in a jar, but in intention, they become more than money. They become freedom.